Okay, what did he die from?
He died from AIDS.
What? AIDS? Are you serious? I mean,
Maybe.
Welcome to ZSO Health. In this video, I'm going to introduce HIV and AIDS. What exactly is HIV? What is AIDS? And what's the relationship between the two? Let's start with HIV. HIV stands for Human Immunodeficiency Virus. It is a virus that specifically attacks the human immune system. Its primary target is the helper T cells, which are also known as CD4 cells. So how does HIV attack CD4 cells? Here's a simple explanation. HIV is a retrovirus. It carries two identical strands of single-stranded positive sense RNA. And each strand comes equipped with three essential enzymes: reverse transcriptase, integrase, and protease. These enzymes are the virus's main weapons for infection. HIV directly infects CD4 cells. After entering the cell, HIV uses reverse transcriptase to convert its RNA into a piece of fake human DNA. This fake DNA then enters the nucleus of the cell and gets integrated into the human genome. At this point, the virus's DNA becomes part of the CD4 cell itself. As we know, human cells are constantly aging, dying, and dividing. Before a cell divides, it copies its entire set of DNA, so that both new daughter cells receive identical genetic material. Here's the problem. If a cell has been infected with HIV, and the viral DNA has already been integrated into the genome, then when that cell divides, it copies not only human DNA, but also the hidden HIV genetic code. That means the two daughter cells will both carry the HIV genome. Although the virus may not activate immediately, it lies dormant like a time bomb or hidden program inside the genes. When the right conditions appear, such as immune suppression or external triggers, this hidden viral DNA can be reactivated. Once activated, it begins to produce new virus particles and infects more CD4 cells. In the early stages of HIV infection, many people have no obvious symptoms and feel completely healthy. Then comes the latency stage, which can last for several years, even over a decade. During this time, the immune system and the virus remain in a kind of tug-of-war. But gradually, as HIV continues its attack, CD4 cell numbers decline, and the immune system gets weaker and weaker. Eventually, when the immune system is severely damaged, the body can no longer fight off common infections. Opportunistic infections and cancers begin to appear. At this point, the person has progressed to AIDS. In future episodes, I'll explain in detail how HIV infection develops into AIDS. But for now, it's important to understand HIV and AIDS are not the same thing. HIV is the virus. AIDS is the final stage caused by the virus. As long as HIV hasn't destroyed the immune system, the person has not yet entered the AIDS stage. But once that line is crossed, the body's immune defenses collapse completely, and the countdown to the end truly begins.